One of the best things about my staff is they smile from their hearts. Unlike a lot of us that have plastic smiles.
Ishaara is a contemporary, conventional, cutting-edge design dining space which happens to serve Indian food, which happens to be served by people who cannot hear or speak.
The moment guest walks in the restaurant, हम उनको guest table पे बिठाते हैं and our staff comes in and welcome them in the restaurant, which goes like this. इशारा में इशारों से हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं.
That is the food menu for you. So if you look inside it, it says how to Ishaara like a pro. And that here is our logo which suggests smile. We've got a variety of signs here and we've got the Ishaara story. So when an order comes to the chef makes the order, he takes the order ticket which has the table number, shows it to the staff and gives the staff the dish. When he gives the dish, the staff looking at the order ticket pick up the particular dish, and that could be a non-vegetarian dish as is pointed out by this red dot, or a vegetarian dish, then it will have the green dot. This name tag goes with the dish to the table, and then they will show the name tag to the customer who's ordered the dish, place the dish on the table and place the name tag next to it. That is because they cannot speak, so obviously this tells the customer that this is this dish that you ordered.
The most important thing was execution, and in order to execute this product flawlessly, we had to go to the roots of it. And in order to do that, we learned sign language ourselves. So whilst we were engaging with our staff and their families and conversing in sign language, we realized that it's very important that we know the language. So we learned sign language ourselves. We designed the training module.
We don't want to train the customer, we want to train our staff so that the interaction is seamless. So we do that continuously, and that creates an intrinsic satisfaction in the minds of the consumer or the guest or the customer that today I have communicated with someone beyond the barriers of language.
For most of them, this has been their first job, so it has been very, very challenging for them to accept 9 hours of work, coming in on time. So one of the most critical things as far as training is concerned is feedback, and we get feedback from different sources.
So this is how my staff approaches and asks the guests for their feedback. Excuse me, are you happy or not so happy with the experience? So depending on the feedback the guest has given them, they come back and approach me, and whatever is the feedback, I go back to the table and solve it.
So you can actually, in our restaurant, walk all around the bar. There are no limitations, etc. Because when we talk inclusion, we talk breaking boundaries and not creating them. We've got a few classic charts for which our chefs have traveled to different parts of the country. So we've got Delhi ke chole and tikki, we've got sev puri from here, we've got bhutte ki kees from Indore, we've got kopra patties from Ratlam. So we've got a bit of everything over here.
So this is Priya, and this is her sign name. The sign names are at the back because our guests, when they have to call our staff to place an order, they make a sign like this. So this is Priya, and this is her sign name. Okay, so how do you feel working at Ishaara? Before work, very difficult. But by and by, I'm really happy. Before the training happened, yes. You learned, and she overcame her difficulties. Before Ishaara, okay, he was searching for a job, didn't get a job. At Ishaara now, he's happy. So you're happy now? Happy earlier? Okay. Yes, he is happy. So how do you feel about your future? Yes, before work. She likes to work, and yes, she will climb the ladder. Her aim is to get to a managerial level, and with the way she's working right now, she will.
We're very happy that we're able to offer the Ishaara experience, because Ishaara is a lot more than just food or service. It's the whole Ishaara experience. And we're so glad that we're able to take this to customers of so many different walks of life. And they keep coming back, which for us is testimony that we're doing a good job.